Welcome back to Tractor Info. Massey Ferguson, known for its durability, power, and innovative technology, Massey Ferguson tractors have become a backbone for farmers across the world. Whether you're tilling, plowing, or harvesting, this brand has a machine designed to meet your needs. Massey Ferguson was founded through a merger of two legendary companies, Massey Harris of Canada and the Ferguson Company of England, back in 1953. This partnership revolutionized farming by introducing the three-point hitch system, a feature still used in almost every tractor today. Over the years, Massey Ferguson has continued to evolve with technology, making tractors more efficient, fuel-saving, and user-friendly. Some of the most popular Massey Ferguson tractor models include the MF240, MF260, MF375, and the heavy-duty MF385. These models are widely used in countries like Pakistan, India, and across Africa due to their high performance and affordability. The MF240, for example, is known for its simplicity and reliability, while the MF385 is praised for its power and field efficiency, perfect for heavy-duty work. Massey Ferguson tractors come with a wide range of horsepower, from 50 HP to over 100 HP, to suit small farms and large commercial operations. These machines are equipped with fuel-efficient diesel engines that deliver strong torque, better traction, and high pulling capacity. Their long-life engines, low maintenance cost, and sturdy build quality make them a favorite choice among farmers. In addition to performance, Massey Ferguson also focuses on operator comfort. Many models include power steering, adjustable seats, simple gear shifting, and even air-conditioned cabins in premium versions. These features help reduce operator fatigue and increase productivity in the field, especially during long working hours. Another major advantage of owning a Massey Ferguson tractor is the easy availability of spare parts and service centers. In countries like Pakistan and India, there are thousands of workshops and dealers that support Massey Ferguson tractors, making repairs and maintenance simple and cost-effective. To sum it up, Massey Ferguson tractors offer a perfect balance of performance, durability, and value for money. They are designed to handle the toughest fieldwork while remaining easy to operate and maintain. Whether you're a small farmer or managing a large agricultural business, there's a Massey Ferguson tractor that fits your needs. Thanks for watching Tractor Info Tractor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and updates on your favorite farming machines.